Okay guys, we have our 2003 Road King. Glad it's sunny out. You can see the nice sparkles in the paint with it sunny. It's a real expensive color, but it does need a color sanding. So I think we've gotten all the issues out of it. So we got brand new tires, new battery, through-hole oil change. We pulled the timing cover off, got a video of that. It's got a gear drive in there. I'm pretty certain it is a 95-inch. It is very fast and powerful. So it'd be faster, obviously, someone put an SNSC or Mikuni flat slide on it. So it's registered to December of 04. We've gone through the clutch, cleaned up the clutch. It is a 5-speed with, for whatever reason, a 6-speed RevTech clutch cover. That'd be an interesting story how that ended up on that. But it's got a tach. Now we just put a new speed sensor in it because the speedo decided to not register anymore, so we needed a speed sensor. The neutral light was not doing its proper thing, so we got a new neutral light, and the oil indicator light was not working properly, so we replaced that. Don't have the bill on that yet. So it is a carb model. Turn the gas on, pull the choke out. So I don't know if you caught it or not, but that little whine you hear, that is the gear drive. So we've got handbrake, rear brake, no turn signals, high and low beam, no spots. I didn't specifically mention that stuff, so, and the horn is probably just that's why we don't have a horn right there. Let's see where that goes. So it just needs to be hooked up where the little hookup thingy is. Come on. Where's the little doohickey? No. This here just needs to be clipped on. That's why the horn's not working. So, gas gauge is working, and so she's as ready as I'm going to make it. So I'm going to put this up at 5,500. It's pretty much a get on and go anywhere motorcycle now. And come and get it. Oh, and don't forget we put replaced the rear rotor and put new rear brake pads on the back. You know, I mean, it's a used bike, so you know, used bike is perfect. Put on new clips here for the these little clippies here. They're all brand new, and 2 of the rubbers are brand new. You'd be surprised how expensive all this stupid little shit is on these motorcycles. Wow, I got so much money in this bike, it's just not even funny. So we're gonna fire it up, do a little test ride. Now that everything's dialed in, this bike is really fast. So it might be bigger than 95 inch. I mean, it's just got a stock carburetor, it pulls. Wow. So again, we got the neutral light fixed. Hey, so that, come on, pop in neutral. Well, it's hard to get this thing in neutral for some reason when it's just sitting there. But neutral light is switched and the oil gauge light is now working properly. And again, we just put a new speed sensor in, so the speedo is working. It's got 47,000 miles on it. And that's that. So $5,500, guys, come on down and get it. I must have got it. I've got to have at least $3,500 to $4,000 fixing this bike right. So at $5,500, I am losing my ass horribly. But try to do the best I can. Don't get to make money on every bike, but I like giving good bikes to the people I sell them to. That's more important to me. So, one last look. I'm going to bring it over here into the sun so you can see that pretty paint. This one just takes a real fine touch to get in neutral. Each bike is a little bit different. You gotta figure out what feather touch it likes. Now you can see all the sparkles. See the neutral light working. Yeah, come on. Why did you see the sparkles in the paint? Somebody color sanded this, man, it would come alive. Real pretty paint job. So that's that. Come down and get it for $5,500. See you guys.